Ever wanted to share your thoughts in a Facebook group without everyone knowing it's you? Well, Facebook finally makes that easier with its anonymous commenting feature. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to comment anonymously in any Facebook group, step by step, so you stay protected and confident. Let's get started. First things first. Anonymous commenting only works if the group admin has enabled anonymous participation. So, the feature might not appear for every group, and that's normal. Open Facebook on your phone or computer, head into the group where you want to comment, and open any post. Now, tap on the comment box. If the group supports anonymous posts, you'll see a small toggle or switch labeled Post Anonymously. Turn that on before typing anything. Once it's activated, write your comment just like usual and hit Post. Your comment will then appear as coming from group member or a similar generic identity, meaning your name and a profile won't be revealed to anyone in the group. Even better, group members can interact with your comment normally while your identity stays hidden. Now, a quick but important note. If you're a group admin, you control whether this feature is available. To enable it, go to your group settings, scroll down to anonymous participation, and toggle it on. Once this is enabled, all members, except other admins and moderators, can post or comment anonymously. If you're a regular member, remember this, always turn on the post anonymously switch before typing. If you forget to toggle it, Facebook will publish your comment under your real name, and you won't be able to change it afterward. So whether you're asking a sensitive question, joining a discussion privately, or sharing personal experiences, anonymous commenting helps you stay safe and comfortable while still being part of the community. And that's how you comment anonymously in Facebook groups. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below, anonymously or not. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.